HIV self-testing is a simple way to screen yourself for HIV at home or at a place of your choice, all in 20 minutes. HIV self-testing is recommended if you are 18 years or older, have never tested positive for HIV, believe you may have been exposed to HIV. Please do not take the test if you are taking treatment for HIV. Do not eat, drink, or use any oral care products 30 minutes before the test. Find a comfortable place where you can stay for at least 20 to 40 minutes and keep a timer watch with you. Remove dentures or anything else that covers your gums. Do not use the kit if the seal on the box is broken or if it is expired. Before you open the kit, you can store the box at room temperature. Do not freeze the kit. Read the instruction manual carefully. The kit has a test tube, oral brush, test strip, and a test tube holder. Take the test tube and put it in the holder. Pull the cap off the test tube gently, making sure the liquid does not spill out of the test tube. Open the plastic bag by slightly pushing out the swab handle against the plastic bag. Do not touch the cloth end of the swab. Only use the handle to pull out the brush. Use the oral brush and brush your upper gum from left to right with up and down movements. And repeat the same from right to left. Repeat this on your lower gum line. Insert the oral brush in the test tube fluid and gently move the oral brush up and down in the test tube fluid 6 to 8 times. Squeeze excess fluid from the oral brush. Remove the oral brush and put it aside. Now remove the test strip from the foil pouch. Do not touch the surface in the middle of the strip. Drop the test strip in the test tube with the arrows pointing down. Wait for 20 minutes, but not more than 45 minutes. Remove the test strip when you see lines have appeared. Only one line on the test strip means your HIV screening test is negative. It is recommended to test again after 3 months. 2 lines on the test strip means your HIV screening test is positive. It does not matter how dark or light the line is. The kit is only a screening test. You need to confirm the result at a testing center. Please go to the nearest integrated counseling and testing center or doctor for a confirmation test. After you take the test, please throw the entire kit in the dustbin. For more information, contact us.